Kung kahamjo tono tini hanya hai lai dumani kaisa kotor goselai mong sini bubagrani nahar mong tongmani already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye norok samani khana sini ti prasa skill ganang nurses GNM ANM rogno Japan ni mani kok phrungi Japanese language phrungi Japano samung tangrane bagi rohornani kaham manmari ni bagi kaham ajim ni bagi rohornani kok samane tini chung supunglenin phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajoy Kumar Shahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navy's Human Resource and Private Limited borobini sini MOU ongo sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PU principal official health ni tai sini tai khroksa PU tabo deputy PU health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John Marok khanainin tongo borok chana belai chubakha samuni bagai tai Bengaluru tongai chini takuk Guinness bobo chana belai chubakha borok no hambai eke chini o nahar mung khaino rok ton saina no chung Japano hospitality ni bagai chini oro jara GNM ANM pass out angjak rok no BSc nursing oborok no sengtango ringnai through Navy's ni passing te chini oro pan apply khaimano borok Navy's pan apply khaimano chung u bisiwo maximum hospitality wo 3 jona chini chare rokno chung Japan ro hanani target na borok no chung ADC hapang ni passing ti khaye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khaine borok no jara registration na musnai jara serna musnai Japanese language te bairo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service ni musnai rokno borok candidate rang 10,000 khai baro registration ma khaine te kaise additional 50,000 borok puila samani chono 1,40,000 candidate na nangnai hai ni chunga bono tini kok salai abone kisarika tabo candidate rok 60,000 rinai chung ADC 50,000 rinai okay total borok ni 3.5 মানে 3.5 লাখ টাকা টোটাল বনি কোর্স এভরিথিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন কোর্স ফি দ্রাতে 3.5 লাখ টাকা নাংনাই 3.5 লাখ টাকা নংতাবা রিনা নাংিয়া ক্যান্ডিডেট সিমিনো 60 লাখ মারিনাই এডিসি 60,000 এডিসি 50,000 টোটাল বাদ বাকি বনি যে রাংর থাই তংমানি যে নেভিস না যে রাংর থাই তংমানি 2,40,000 বরক সাকা নন জাপানো জার্মানিও কোরিয়াও চাকরি রিমানি পরে তুরুক নিনি বেতনিনি নংতানাই রিমান নাই কে অব নংখা সিনি তিনিনি ও এগ্রিমেন্ট যারা থাংনা মুচনাই गोबां मानसिन अर नार्स नि चाकरि सानि फायनाय तंबायो GNM ANM ताइनि नि ओ BSc नार्सिं रक जारा खायजाक रक गोबां अपॉर्चुनिटी ताबो फातारा हास्टेल थाङै at least थाइसिङो सिनि ताखुक साका 1.1,40,000 नि बेतन नि 3.5 लाख बेतन नंनायनि खर्चानि पार मान अब हाय abon bagai ke borok already o target now ni o borok ni norok jara registration khane borok ni nang je ban bagi outstanding payment tongmani abo rinani bo borok ake khairi ga gechini nahar mung kha takute boko jungna de government job to limited kabang ma chini te para sorok tabo kabang ma jago no Kolkata Bangalore Chennai abhairo nursing complete khai nogo kabang ma asukjak bo tongo srungi tongnai bo tongo phataro samungtang tongnai ro bo tongo kenor ni bagai chung ane bubagra katal kaisak nangmani history kaisa opportunity norone rekha dara muchuknai daki phai chingbai karangdi borok daki interview nanai best jara mochuknai best karang kugrokno jeng phataro rohornani bagai chatioknai abani loge loge jeng phainai salo care worker bonanai driver tai hinge construction worker o building namnani amhai samung obaherokno bochung samung skill khaye phataro samung tangnani bagai rohornani bo jeng chatioknai obong khachini naharmung chini ADC hafang chini Tripura sarokno rang ri tongmung chamung borongni manthai khati thaina khobui samung tanglai tongmani jeng joya hamkrani samung tang tongmani jeng joya bobagrani naikol mungbai jeng hor sal thuya ke nowan solai samung tanglai tong takute bukukchong obonong khachini thangsani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini ADC hafang jeng tabukratei lama kahamti himai beti prasa rokno bahike sang biang phasing thangke boro thangke jeng rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmong tubui mano lukorok ajimano abo nahar mungbai jeng samung tanglai tong ketabok norok singi mane chini Ajoy Kumar Sahani ji bo angka nevis ani manager sursinte administration of bani thani nevis ni nahar mung tabu khaitong besuk bisiromi khaitong bopron jimi tlangjak nai omutiro bon thani nok singi man hambai jara thangnama chonai Japano through nevis ni bisingte interview ruoi test ruoi borok thangnama chonai borok ni bagai chung daki no potrika rom bisingte chini website ni bisingte chung advertisement nai ke borona ta botaishin chini odai saga tasingo actually Japan ni kisu culture borong ni ongko tongo bosket borong ni bebohar borong ni tongmung chamung tongo actually a jaga ro boro bokrok tola khai khulumung bukok samung nomro bodro omahiro kabang ma metar tongo Japan samung tangna ni ke kok sangke sana ne aba ara chiriklai kok saya amti hero joton bhanung dangna aran borno phai phane Japan ni borok no aba haike jara sananiman nai borok sile khana even tlangnani sigang je tlangnani promen bumawofa soika hanga kai bumawofa itablinin jara thanan bagi fit nin buma garden bumawofa sudu soi soka e aprusi borok tlangnai ke puilan chimini jara thangnamo chimani ba phataro sudu Japania Germany angthon nini Korea angthon boro ar language sudu Japani ar language promen borok thangnai eke puilan chimini prepare angi phainani bagai abhaite daki start khajane chung advertisement khage kan through boron khage chung interview or screening process khaye daki roharan bagi satyap nai hambai
thank you respective dignitaries of TTADC and my name is Ajay and I am general manager for Northeastern region and today it's a privilege for Nevis HR because on behalf of Nevis HR I am representative entire Northeastern region and today we have signed an agreement and MOU with TTADC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have students from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTADC areas, and we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad, and this is a platform where we can send students to different countries from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Nevis HR, because having a tied up with TTADC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTADC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MUO will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead. And definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTADC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much.
저는 target 좀 이전하는 하는 시작 쪽네.
Every year.
प्रत्येक विषयता.
प्रत्येक वर्ष होता है.
Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having a conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand. They have to understand about the script. They have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now. We already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
당면을 하자.